Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's tidbit is about maximizing your client's equity. As if we needed any more reason to stay in contact with our past clients, this is actually a great one. Most markets have been exploding over the last, 5, 6, 9 years, right? And that means anybody who's purchased their home 3, 4, 5 plus years ago is probably sitting on a very nice amount of equity. Now, you can play the safe game and leave that in the home, or we could potentially educate our clients to actually having that money work for them. What about buying an investment property? Have you thought about buying something different? Have you thought about, there's so many things that they can do with that money. I don't want to throw out too many ideas because I can't speak for your clients or your area. But right now, for example, in the Phoenix market, our investment areas are exploding, especially when it comes to like commercial and multi-units. So I've helped a couple clients take some money out of their homes and their investments that they purchased between 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and now have taken that money and used it as down payments on cash flowing investment properties. Okay? And cash flowing investment properties are great, and if they can do a self-directed IRA, man alive, you just created a great investment tool. So that's what I wanted to reach out to you. If you haven't talked to your past clients 4 or 5 years ago, this is a great reason to. Let's help them help their money work for them. We're not just realtors, we are wealth builders, right? Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Ezell. Today, wanted to, no, that's not it. Oh yeah. With the markets where it's, okay. As if we needed any reason to, wow, that's not it either. Man alive.